Hi, this is Fred from Freedom to Excel. So just what is affiliate marketing anyways? In its simplest terms, affiliate marketing is having someone market your product for you and then you pay them a commission for the product sold. Some current estimates are about 38% of online shoppers who have made their first purchase since April 2020 did it through an affiliate channel. The global worth of affiliate marketing industry is estimated to be over 11 billion. The Amazon Associates Affiliate Marketing Network alone has over 900,000 active affiliates. The most exciting thing about affiliate marketing is that it gives creative and hardworking people the ability to collaborate with established companies to make money. We will get into more detail and unravel some of the mysteries of affiliate and online marketing in coming videos. Stay tuned. See you soon.